Does your website feel like a ghost town with no visitors? It's time to rethink your strategy. Without the right keywords, your audience can't find you. And if they can't find you, your competitors are getting the clicks and the sales. Keyword research is the cornerstone of successful SEO. It's like learning the language your customers use when they search for your product or service. With the right keywords, your website turns into a visitor magnet, attracting people who are already looking for what you offer. Here's why keyword research is pivotal. 1. Target the right audience. Reach people who are most likely to convert. 2. Boost your rankings. Optimize for search terms people actually use. 3. Maximize your ROI. Stop investing in content that doesn't bring results. The bottom line, effective keyword research transforms your SEO strategy. Ready to revolutionize your site traffic? Start your keyword research today.